guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video because I got something amazing in the mail from Amazon. I just could not wait to open it. So this is where we are now. Okay, so this is my packaging. Nothing special, but I'm trying not to show my address on here because I have it on both. So let's open this bad boy now. There you go. Okay, I got a Echo Dot, a 3rd generation. Because everybody else in my family had an Echo. So I thought it was time to get an Alexa. Gotta get her. Okay. So let us open this. Also, let me check in here. Those are like instructions. Okay. You never know what's in there. Okay. And I got it a plum color because they didn't have anything like close to pink. So plum was a good shade. Yeah. Packaging, you got, this is what it says right here. You have Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and auto line out. Yeah. And then this is all of what they have here. You got Amazon Music, then you got Apple Music, my good old Spotify, Pandora, and the other ones that I don't know. And also Sirius XM. Yeah. So this is what it says. Add Alexa to any room. Echo Dot connects to Alexa and provides full sound from compact design that fits anywhere in your home. Enjoy the crisp, clear music from your favorite streaming service on a built-in speaker. You can also connect to speakers over Bluetooth or in a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Designed around your voice. Just ask Alexa to play music, read the news, check weather forecasts, set alarms, timers, control smart home devices, call almost anyone, and more. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new features and skills, meaning the government's watching us. Voice control music throughout your home. Ask Alexa for a song, artist, or genre from Amazon Music, Apple Pay, Spotify, Pandora, or Sirius XM. With multi-room music, you can play music on your compatible Echo device in different rooms. Control your smart home hands-free. Use your voice to control thousands of compatible devices. Just ask Alexa to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, lock doors, find TV shows, and more. Meaning, it's gonna be like that Disney Channel original movie Smart House, where the motherboard goes crazy and pretty much have them hostage in the home. Yeah, and then Amazon, boom, see, bam. Yeah, now let's, oh shoot. Yeah, okay. It's gonna take a moment because I have nails, so. Oh, I guess it didn't take that much of a moment. Okay. So opening. Oh, look at that. It's so tiny. So small, but oh my god. It looks so cool. Like, and then like they use like fabric for the speakers, like, you know, some speakers do that. But oh my god, this is nice. And then they put it in here. See how, yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna also set it up, so it's gonna be interesting. If I can open it. wait. My bad, it was at the bottom, not on the side. And then, what the heck? Come on up. I'm trying to. There you go. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Okay. I'm gonna set it right here. Well, not right there. Probably like down here. Because I know there's more stuff in here. Oh, we got a little manual. A manual. And then, and some information on how to use the Echo Dot as well. And then you got the divider here. Boom, bam, boom. And then you got the adapters. The thing is where am I going to set it up in my room? Because right now I kind of having an issue with some outlets in my room. And I only got 2. Wonderful, isn't it? What I think I might do is like, set it over here with my fan. Sorry about the little mess with my dresser. But yeah, I might set it up there. Oh, and then they put it like in a rubber band to hold it. Okay. Let me roll it off. Okay. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. I was really expecting that. So just kind of just roll it through this little maze of wire. But and then I guess you plug it in to this, or is it to this hole? I think it's, no, that's too small. Okay, so it goes in here, and then you have this. So yeah, so one measly moment, people. Okay, so we're gonna figure this out. Oops, drop this. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do unplugging and switching around. Uh-oh. That's just something. Okay. There, I just had to fix a little technical difficulty in my room. Okay. It's plugged in. It's on. If you can kind of see light. Okay. So let's start. Microphone on. So really, I just gotta wait for Alexa to say hello. Okay, that's her.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Oh shoot. I'm gonna have to download the Alexa app. I'll be right back. Okay, I had to download her app. So and then I had to do the steps off camera. But now she's set up and we're gonna see how this works. Alexa, how many ounces in a cup?
1 cup is 8 fluid ounces.
Alexa, how do you say thank you in Italian?
Thank you in Italian is grazie.
Yeah. Okay. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
I don't see a calendar set up. You'll find steps to connect your account in the Alexa app. Want me to also send a link to your phone?
Yes, please.
Okay, sent.
Yeah. Got a notification on my phone. Okay. Let's see. Alexa, tell me the news today.
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like NPR, Fox News, CBS, or Wall Street Journal.
Go with NBC.
From open source, this month Command & Conquer How-To Python, CAD sizes, and Darktable graphics, Inkscape graphics, Krita for all photos, Linux loopback everyday Ubuntu.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime Cora. Happy Thursday. Inside Review, Stadia interview, Rhonda Jong, Final Crypt Dev, Linux certified Ubuntu games. Oxygen
Alexa,
Not.
thank you.
Anytime. This month Command & Conquer How-To Python, automation, and Darktable
Alexa,
graphics.
stop. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call people waiting in line for a Streisand concert? A barbecue.
Nice. Alexa, what can I say?
You can say things like, add sparkling cider to my shopping list, set an alarm to happy music, or set an alarm. Do you want to hear some more?
Yes.
You can also say, what's the temperature at 6 a.m.? What time is it in Peru? Or, set an alarm for 9 a.m. If you want to hear other suggestions, just ask for more.
Thank you, Alexa. That's my favorite. Alexa, play Harry Styles.
This is Harry Styles from Spotify.
I love Alexa. Alexa, turn the volume up a little. I love her. Alexa, stop. Thank you. Oh. Alexa, do I have audiobooks?
Audible lets you experience books in a whole new way. To try one, ask me to read The Hobbit or The Great Gatsby.
No, thank you. Alexa, play playlist New Year's 2020.
New Year 2020, Fireworks, from Spotify.
Oh, I use the emoji. Alexa, skip to All Me. Skip. Alexa, skip. Skip. Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. Alexa, play All Me.
All Me, featuring Keisha Cole by Kehlani from Spotify.
I like this song though.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with you. Got me and you own that.
So yeah,
That's why I'm so impressed.
Alexa, turn the volume down to 5.
with ya, best with ya, yeah.
Alexa, turn the volume to 3. Alexa, turn the volume to 1. There we go. So yeah, my Alexa Echo Dot is now set. My Echo Dot is now set up. We got it together. There's just a little hiccups here and there, but we did it. Now I officially have Alexa. Well, either way, until then, I hope you guys are enjoying your day, afternoon, or evening. And until then, bye guys.